Whether it's hot or cold, tea is great. You can drink it when you wake up or before you go to bed, and many types of tea can bring you several different health benefits. If you use tea bags regularly, you should probably know that they have other uses as well, and we're going to show you some in today's video. They protect plants. If you have a garden, then this tip is for you. Put some used tea bags on the ground near your plants. The substances in the herbs will help your plants grow and regulate the pH of the soil. They repel rats, spiders, and other insects. If you're being frequently visited by rats and spiders, your used tea bags can help with this problem. Rodents, insects, and arachnids hate the smell of tea and will avoid any place you put tea bags. They make your car smell nice. Tea bags can also help with how your car smells. Just put some in your car and they'll absorb bad odors and release a pleasant smell. They help remove odors from your refrigerator. No matter how much we try to avoid it, certain foods can leave a strong smell in our refrigerator, and tea bags can get rid of them. They balance the humidity and help your refrigerator smell more pleasant. They treat skin irritations. If you have ever gotten hurt or been bitten by an insect, tea bags can bring you relief. All you have to do is soak them in cold water to eliminate the heat, and then place them on the affected area. They help reduce inflammation, swelling, and redness. They help remove odors from your shoes. When you take off your shoes and smell foot odor, don't despair. Tea bags can help you with your problem. Just put tea bags inside your shoes and leave them there overnight. They'll absorb all the odors and make your shoes smell great. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.